Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can apply for CIMEA or Statement of Comparability and Verification step by step. So let's start. As you can see, this is my Statement of Comparability certificate that I applied for my degree. And you can also apply for Statement of Comparability if you need. What is Statement of Comparability or CIMEA, right? For example, I completed my college or master or bachelor degree or PhD degree from my hometown, and I want to go for a higher education or maybe for a job to Italy. For that, we need CIMEA certificate or a statement of comparability to make your education equal to Italian system. Or if you want to apply for visa, you need this certificate. Or if you want to apply for any admission in an Italian university, you need this certificate. So let's start how we can apply for this certificate step by step. And it's also important to know what document do we need to get the statement of comparability. For example, if I want to apply for bachelor degree course in Italy, and for that I need to get a statement of comparability from my higher school, college certificates and transcript. For that I need passport and my high school and college certificate if you want to apply for bachelor degree. So you need these two certificates, high school and college certificate and transcript and passport. And these certificates should be verified from Ministry of Foreign Affairs or IBCC or whatever in your country, and you have to upload these documents. If you want to apply for master, you need passport, higher school college certificates and bachelor undergraduate certificates and transcript, and this should be verified from MUFA, higher education and so on. If I want to apply for PhD, I need passport, higher school college certificate, bachelor undergraduate certificate and master degree certificate and transcript, and this should be verified from MUFA and HSC. This document we will need if I want to apply for different statement of comparability. Open your browser, just write here CIMEA diploma. Simply open your official link, statement of comparability and verification. This is the official link of CIMEA, and simply click on CIMEA diploma service available on this page. Click on diploma. Now you can see that you have a official page that you can apply for a statement of comparability here. Just click on register first, register now, and try to provide your basic information. For example, my name, my surname, middle name if you have. Write your email here, write your email and simply activate, click on term and conditions, select this, yes, and activate account. Now you will receive an email. Just go to your email and activate your account. As you can see, I receive an email here, CIMEA diploma. Click on your email, open your email and try to set password for your account. Simply, for example, I want to set password for my email and click on save. As you can see, my account is activated. Now simply log in to your account, write your password and click on login. Now I log in to my CIMEA diploma account, right? And now simply you have to follow several steps. First of all, you have to click on your my account to complete your account. Please note that in order to request our service, you will need to complete your account. Simply complete your account first and then you can process your degree. Click on the plus sign and write your name is okay, email, telephone number. For example, I will write my telephone number. You can write your date of birth. You have to write your date of birth, okay, just randomly. Okay, I just select randomly passport number. For example, write your passport number. Country of birth, for example, where do you born? For example, I will write, okay, issue of country, passport. For example, I will write my country name. You can write your country name. And citizenship, select your citizenship. And expiry date for your passport. For example, I will say it will expire, and just select your date and select your gender, male, female, and your country address. Just write your address here, country residence, and simply click on save. Now this part is done, right? It's done. Now you have to go to another option, is called purchase a service. Now here you have to go down and country of education system. Which country did you complete your education? Simply select, for example, which country did you complete your master, bachelor, or any degree. And for example, there are two options, upper secondary school education and higher education secondary school. For example, if you want to apply for bachelor degree to Italy, you can select this. If you want to apply for master or PhD, you have select higher education. Okay, and search. Now you can see this. They say that like there are two types of timeline that you can get certificate in 60 working days and 30 working days. If you pay 300 euro, it will take 16 working days to receive certificate. If you pay 100 euro extra, maybe like 400 euro, you will get in 30 working days. So it's your choice. You can select 16 working day or maybe 30 working days. It depends on you. And purchase and verification. Now you have to provide information. For example, country of education, select your country, level of education, higher education. For example, purpose of why you want to get certificate, for request for equivalence, for other purpose, or for a job, or for access further studies. For example, you say I want to go for a master or PhD, select this. And now you want to apply for master. Lavoro di magistrale means master, lavoro means undergraduate, bachelor. For PhD, for example, I want to apply for master. And Italian higher education institute. For example, there are several universities that you apply for example, for master. So select your university here. For example, I apply in this universities because it will help you to verify your degree easily and quickly, right? For example, I apply in this university. I will select my university that I apply for master education in University of Pavia. Which program did you take admission? For example, information technology. Are you applying for visa? If you are applying for visa, yes. Select your for example, embassy name, right? For example, if you are in Pakistan, select your Pakistani embassy. If you are in India, select your Indian embassy. For example, if you are in other countries, write your embassy name. Islamabad embassy, and save and next. Is done, right? Now please indicate name of the qualification. Now select your degree name that appear on your diploma. For example, my degree was software engineering, my previous degree, right? Is your name reporting diploma? No. They are asking, is your name as reported on your diploma different from your field of upon registration? No. Board Write your university name. Is your country where a school, like this means that is your country education is different from the country you are studying? No. No. Did you study online or something like this? No. Classroom. Name of a study program. For example, I will say bachelor degree. Language of program, English. Write your credit hour. For example, I will write 60. It depends on you. You can see your credit hour. Full-time study. Date of enrollment. For example, I enroll in I will say okay, and graduation date. Okay. Final diploma awarded, yes. When did you get your degree? Select your date and save and next. It's quite simple. Now again you are applying for a master, so you should select higher education and save and next. Now you need to provide documents. First of all, you have to click on consent form. Click on here and download. After downloading this form, you have to fill this form. Simply open this form and try to write your name, surname, date and signature, and scan this copy, print this copy, write your name, surname, date and signature, right, and then scan this copy, and then you have to upload here again. Here you have to upload your passport. Upload your passport here. Here you need to upload the consent form, I mean this form. First you have to download this form from here, and then you need to fill this form here. Simply fill this form, and then you have to upload here, right? I will upload this form here. And then you have to provide your diploma degree. Like for example, if I want to apply for a master, bachelor, I want to apply for master, then I need to provide master degree, I need to provide bachelor degree. For example, I want to apply for a master in Italy, right? So I need a bachelor degree, I need a college degree, and I will upload my all degree here. And here I will upload the transcript. And here I will upload the translation. For example, my degree in another language, for example, my degree in Chinese. So here I need to upload in English version here, right? Because if your degree in Chinese and you translate in English and then you upload here. If your degree in English, you don't need to upload here, right? And then additional document you can upload here, like maybe student card and marriage certificate and other certificate if you have, and simply save and next. Now you can there are two options. Do you want to request for urgent service? If you want to request for urgent, click yes. You have to pay 400 euro. If you want to request for ordinary procedure, click on no, and then save and next. Is almost done. Now you have to pay 300 euro. Click on pay. Now simply, if you have a card, PayPal, you can pay with PayPal, you can pay with Visa card, use payment card. Click on use payment card. Now provide your debit or credit card information here, and next. After completing this process, you will receive an email that you already submitted your application, and you will get your certificate. In simple, after paying your application fee for your certificate, you will receive an email that you submit your application, and then you need to wait for 2 months or maybe 1 month to get your certificate. It depends on your on you that how much did you pay. If you pay for urgent or you pay for ordinary procedure. So when you want to, if you want to see your application progress, simply go back to your application, log into your account and click on my request, you will see your application here. Right now it's in draft, right? If you pay the application fee, you will see some progress, or maybe if some document is missing, they will ask you to upload again, or if maybe there's some documents you need to upload or some information, they will ask you through email, or you can see the progress here. So it was quite simple video that I tried to explain how you can apply for CIMEA certificate. And if you have any question regarding this certificate or any regarding scholarship, please comments. And if you need more information, please comments and send me email. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.